everyone, welcome to English Tutorial Edu. This is Samita. Today we are going to be learning about the literary devices of personification and apostrophe. First, let's learn about personification. In personification, objects without life are given characteristics of human beings. They are spoken of as if they have qualities of human beings. So we give human qualities to non-living things or abstract ideas. Let's see these examples. Pride goes forth on horseback, bright and gay, but cometh back on foot and begs its way, like we see in this picture. Death lays his icy hands on all that's born on earth. The leaves dance gaily in the cheerful breeze. The earth thirsts for rain and smiles with plenty when it rains. So in this first sentence, we see that pride, which is an abstract idea, is going forward like a person on a horseback and coming back on foot. So we are giving human qualities to this abstract idea of pride. Death lays his icy hands on all that's born on earth. So death, which is also an abstract idea, is given the human qualities and is laying his icy hands on all that is born on earth. So everyone born on earth has to die. The leaves dance gaily at the cheerful breeze. So the leaves, which are non-living things, are dancing like human beings gaily in the cheerful breeze. The breeze is also inanimate, and here we are giving the qualities of humans of being cheerful to this breeze. The earth thirsts for rain and smiles with plenty when it rains. So the earth, which is also non-living, is thirsting for rain, is being thirsty just like human beings, and is smiling with plenty. That is, it is giving a good bounty of harvest when it rains. So here we have given the abstract ideas and non-living things qualities of human beings. So we are personifying them. Now let's see what an apostrophe is. In an apostrophe, the speaker addresses some inanimate objects or non-living things or an abstract idea as if it was a living person. So we are treating non-living things like a living person and talking to it. For example, "O sleep, come gently to my baby's eyes," or "Sweet things, run softly till I end my song." "Hail, smiling morn that tips the hills with gold." Or this last one, "Exult, O shores, and ring, O bells." So in this first line, we see that the poet is requesting sleep to come gently like a human being to the baby's eyes. In this next sentence, Thames, which is the river that runs through London, is requested to run softly till the song ends. In the third sentence, "Hail, smiling morn." So the poet is hailing or welcoming the smiling morn that tips the hills with gold. So the sun rays are filling the peaks which are filled with snow with the golden rays. The last sentence, "Exult, O shores, and ring, O bells." This line has been taken from "Captain, My Captain," that famous poem. So the poet is telling the shores to rejoice and the bells to ring, as if the shores and the bells will be able to hear him. He is treating or addressing the shores and bells as if they are humans. So in all these sentences, we see that non-living things or abstract ideas are being talked to, they are being addressed to. So that is apostrophe. So the difference between personification and apostrophe is that in personification we give human characteristic to non-living things, while in apostrophe we address or speak to non-living things as if they can listen to us. So what is the difference? In personification we are giving human qualities, and in apostrophe we are talking to the non-living things as if they are humans. Life crawls, walks and runs to hold the hands of death. So life, which is an abstract idea, is crawling, walking and running finally to hold the hands of death. So everybody who is born has to die. "O death, you are both cruel and kind to man." So here death is being addressed and being said that death is cruel because it takes away life, and kind because it ends the misery of man in old age. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.